Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna explain you about nutrition in plants. So stay tuned till the video ends. So let's start. Yeah. So let's start with the introduction first. Yeah. So the introduction. So nutrition in plants. In class 6, you learned that carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are the components of foods. So what are the components of foods? The components of foods are mainly carbohydrates, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These are the components of foods. So these components of foods are also known as nutrients. Okay. So all living organisms require food. All living organisms require food. So I'll tell you a thing. Wait, just 1 minute. See. Yeah, see. Plant. Okay. Human and animal. We three. See. Plant, human, and animal. Out of this, we are these plants also need food. Human also needs food, and animals also needs food. Okay. So plants can make their own food. Own. But humans cannot. Humans can't. And animals. Animals also can't. Wait. Yeah. So animals also can't. So plants, humans and animals. Out of that, plants can make their own food, but humans and animals cannot make their own food. So, so all organisms are directly or indirectly dependent on plants. So all are directly or indirectly dependent on plants. See, like for example, take a tiger, okay, and take a goat, okay, and take a plant. Here, tiger. What is tiger? Tiger is a carnivore, okay, and what is goat? Goat is a herbivore. Yeah, I'll just write like this. Okay, plant. So goat eats the plant, and tiger eats a goat. So indirectly, tiger is related with the plant, but directly, goat is related with the plant. So directly or indirectly, plants, so directly or indirectly, animals, humans, we all are dependent on plants for the food. Directly or indirectly, we all are dependent on plants for the food. Okay. So next slide. So nutrition in plants. Bozo wants to know how plants prepare their own food. Okay, so how plants prepare their own food? Plants prepare their own food with the method of photosynthesis. With photosynthesis. Yeah. So see, you can see this is a leaf, and here the sunlight is falling on the leaf, and carbon dioxide plus water and sunlight gives out carbohydrates and oxygen. So this is photosynthesis. So for photosynthesis, we need a light. Sorry, we need sunlight, not a light. We need a sunlight and carbon dioxide and water. So from where do we get carbon dioxide? We get carbon dioxide from we release carbon dioxide. So we release carbon dioxide. Plants take in the carbon dioxide, and we give water to the plants. So plants take that water. See. So for example, so CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. CO2 plus H2O. H2O means water. CO2 plus H2O plus sunlight. CO2 plus H2O plus H2O plus sunlight gives out carbohydrate plus oxygen, which is the main thing. Okay. So this is the formula which we'll see after some time. Okay. So next. Yeah, nutrition in plants. Plants are the only organisms that can produce their own food by themselves by using water, carbon dioxide, and animals. Carbon dioxide, sorry, minerals, not animals, minerals. Sorry. Water, carbon dioxide, and minerals. So these things are required for the preparation. Three things. Okay, three things are required for the for plants to make their own food. Okay, the nutrients help us to build bodies, to growth, to repair damaged part of the bodies, and to provide energy. So the nutrients help us. So we all need nutrients, right? Nutrients and minerals. So these all nutrients are needed to grow for our growth, to repair the damaged parts, and to provide us energy. Okay. So now, nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. This is the definition of nutrition. Okay. So next slide. So mode of nutrition in organisms. So there are two types of modes. One is autotrophs and the other one is heterotrophs. Okay, autotrophs and heterotrophs. So autotrophs are examples plants, and heterotrophs examples animals. So autotrophs means the one which makes the own food, makes food themselves, and heterotrophs means which depend on the food prepared by the plants. Okay, so this is the main difference of autotrophs and heterotrophs. Okay, see the difference. They make their own food, they consume the food made by the autotrophs. Okay, next. Photosynthesis, food making process in plants. Leaves are the food factories of plants. Therefore, all the raw materials must reach the food. So, food factories of plants are leaves. So, leaves are also known as food factories and kitchen, kitchen of the plant, kitchen of plant. Okay. So, therefore, all the raw materials must reach the leaf. Okay. So water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. So you think this as a stem, and this is a pot here. So here are the roots. So we give water here. We give the water here and minerals also. So from here, the soil absorbs it. Sorry, we give the roots absorbs it, and then it is transported to the leaves by the vessels. Okay, by the vessels, and then it is transported to the leaves, which you will see in the next slide. Okay. So carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores present on the surface. So next. So tiny pores present on the surface, and these tiny pores are known as stomata. Okay. So these tiny pores are known as stomata. Okay. So let's go to the next slide. Nutrition in plants. Okay. So these pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. So so you can see these all small pores. So these pores are stomatas. So think this as a leaf, and there are pores which are on the down parts of the leaf. See, think this as a leaf. The pores, the stomatas are not present on the upper side of the leaf. They are present on the down side of the leaves, or the bottom side of the leaves. Okay, so these pores are surrounded by guard cells. These guard cells, water and minerals are transported to the leaves by the vessels which run like pipes throughout the sea. So think this as a plant, just a rough diagram. Don't go into the diagram, just a rough diagram. See, so think this as a root. Things in sea. So this is a root. So water and minerals are carried through the root through vessels which run throughout the whole plant. These vessels take the water and minerals from the roots to all parts of the plants, which run like pipes through the roots and system. So the root, the stem, the branches, and the leaves. So these vessels are like the blood vessels in our bodies. So these vessels are like the blood vessels. They are not actually blood vessels, but they are like the blood. They are like blood vessels. Okay. Next. So yeah, they form a continuous path or passage for the nutrients to reach the leaf. They are called vessels. Okay? The leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. It helps to capture the energy of sunlight. So, see, this is a leaf, and here these all green parts, these all green color is called chlorophyll. So the green colored pigment. So the green colored pigment is known as chlorophyll. Okay, so these chlorophylls give green color to the plants. So the plants which don't have chlorophyll are not green in color. Okay, so next, let's move to the next. Next, this energy is used to synthesize or prepare food from carbon dioxide and water. So we find that chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water are necessary to carry out the process of photosynthesis. So chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. So these are the four things. Number one, chlorophyll. Number two, sunlight. Number three, carbon dioxide. And number four, water. So these are the four things which are needed for photosynthesis. Okay. So next point. Since the synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight, it is known as photosynthesis. Yeah. So what is the meaning of the word photosynthesis? Meaning of the word. See. Wait. Yeah. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photo means what? What is the meaning of photo? Photo means light. Okay. And synthesis. Synthesis means to prepare. So photosynthesis means to prepare. So like light and prepare. So this light is meant by the sunlight. So here this word means sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay. So next. Yeah. So here you can see a equation. Okay. Wait. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll containing cells of leaves presence in the sunlight use carbon dioxide and water to synthesize carbohydrates. The process can be represented by an equation. So this is the equation. C. Carbon dioxide, CO2 plus H2O with sunlight and chlorophyll gives out carbohydrate plus oxygen. Gives out carbohydrate plus oxygen. O2 means oxygen. Okay. So this is the equation. So this is the equation which you have to learn. So carbon dioxide plus water, sunlight, and chlorophyll. So we discussed in the earlier slide that these four things are necessary for photosynthesis. So that photosynthesis gives out carbohydrate plus oxygen. When plants prepare their own food, when plants do photosynthesis, okay, so when plants do photosynthesis, they give out carbohydrate, they give out carbohydrate plus they give out O2. Okay. So this is the equation which I shortened it. So next, during the process, oxygen is released. So this is the main point. So see, plants need carbon dioxide. So in the daytime, need oxygen. Sorry, plants need carbon dioxide, and we need oxygen. Okay. So we release carbon dioxide, and we take in oxygen. But in the daytime, plants take in carbon dioxide. We release carbon dioxide, plants take in carbon dioxide, and we take in oxygen, plants release oxygen. But in the nighttime also we take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. But in nighttime, plants do the same process as us. At the nighttime also, plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So there is only one plant. That is money plant. Okay. So this money plant also gives oxygen at night time also. So most of the people keep money plant at their house. Okay. So next. During the process, oxygen is released. The presence of starch in leaves indicates the occurrence of photosynthesis. Starch is also also carbohydrate. So oxygen is released in this process, and there is a test. There is a activity which in that activity you can know that that particular plant is that plant that in that plant is starch present or not. So, like take a example of a plant such as of a tree, mango tree, not a plant, like a tree. Okay, mango tree. So, mango tree, take at around 7 p.m. At 7 p.m., collect a leaf from mango tree and collect a leaf from mango tree and then do that activity. That activity for that activity we need iodine solution. Okay, we need iodine solution. So if you do that activity, we can know that the plant does that plant contains starch or not. If the plant contains starch, then that means that plant indicates the occurrence of photosynthesis. So this is the symbol. Okay. So starch is also a carbohydrate. So starch is also a carbohydrate. So thank you for seeing. Uh, thank you for seeing my video. So if you like, then please give it a thumbs up to this video and share this to your friends and relatives and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So to see content like this, please click on the notification icon on the notification icon down and go check and do check out our other videos. So for today, so thank you and please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.